You can customize certain settings on your Pixel Fold, including screen auto-rotate, how the taskbar shows up, and more. To turn on auto-rotate screen, open the Settings app. Tap Display and Touch. Scroll down, then tap Auto-Rotate Screen. To automatically adjust the screen orientation when you move your phone between portrait and landscape, turn on Auto Rotate when folded, and turn on Auto Rotate when unfolded. Now, when you rotate your device, the screen will adjust automatically, whether your device is folded or unfolded. To continue using apps after you fold your device, at the top left, tap the arrow to return to Display and Touch. Scroll up. Then tap Continue using apps on Fold. By default, when you close your Pixel Fold, you have to swipe up on the outer screen to continue using your app. To seamlessly continue using apps on the outer screen after closing your Fold, tap Always. To lock your Fold after closing it, tap Never. To always show the taskbar when using your phone, unfold your device. From the bottom, swipe up slowly. Touch and hold the divider line. Turn on Always Show Taskbar. Now, the taskbar will remain at the bottom of your screen when using apps. To save a split-screen view as a shortcut, from the bottom, swipe up to go to Overview. Tap on either of the app names. From the drop-down menu, tap Save App Pair. The shortcut will be saved to your home screen. To open the saved app pair, tap the shortcut. To close the app pair, from the bottom, swipe up.